advocacy for girls, and at the same time, the privileges she says of doing her own scheduling, which includes so many speeches. And I think a lot of people, George, have in fact focused on the fact that she and President Clinton are making a lot of money. It has been reported you've made $5 million making speeches. The president's made more than $100 million.
Well, if you have no reason to remember, but we came out of the White House not only dead broke, but in debt. Money when we got there, and we struggled to, piece together the resources for mortgages for houses, for Chelsea's education. It was not easy. Bill has worked really hard, and it's been amazing to me. He's worked very hard. First of all, we had to pay off all our debts, which was, you had to make double the money because of obviously taxes, and then pay off the debts and get us houses and take care of family members.
But do you think Americans are going to understand 5 times the median income in this country for one speech?
Well, let me put it this way. I thought making speeches for money was a much better thing than getting connected with any one group or company, as so many people who leave public life do.